Yeah, you can't tell me what I want.
Okay.
Unless you want.
No, I'm saying you make them the way you want.
I use the white sugar.
Okay.
You're watching, Sarah?
No.
Yeah, are we gonna make some cinnamon rolls sometime the way Great Grandma Gwen makes it?
Yep.
Ah.
I like to put it on the edges because a lot of times you won't put it on the edges. It's gonna dry.
Ditto, I agree. That way every bite is just as good.
It's a lot of sugar, huh?
That's okay. We want it to be good. We don't eat them that often, so when we eat them, we want them to be extra good.
That's how I do my pie dough cookies. It's about as thick of sugar and cinnamon as it is pie dough. Right, Sarah?
A what?
Yeah, my pie dough cookies. I like a lot of sugar and cinnamon on it, huh? Aw, thanks for the hug, though, sweetie.
But when I made it here before, I put
Mom?
cream on it.
No, but let's not do cream on this
You
one.
don't like cream on it? Huh?
We like them the way that you used to make them, Mom.
All with cream,
No.
a little
No, you didn't.
cream. But I don't know if it's thick enough.
No, let's not do the
Mom,
cream this year.
Don't do cream this time, Mama.
Oh, okay.
When you're at home, do cream at your home.
All right.
But you're going to put cinnamon and raisins, right?
Yeah.
Oh, skip the raisins.
Well, she told me that Glenn didn't like them, and she was going to make some without raisins. And he said, well, Glenn can pick them out.
I can pick them out or I can
See
just
here?
eat
Or you
them.
can give them to me.
So what do you think about that, Sarah?
It's cool.
How about Bunny and Puppy, baby puppy? What do they think?
Yep.
They can't see, though. They're way down below.
Do you have butter?
Oh, look at
I need
that.
some
Right over there is butter.
That might be enough.
Well, I have a lot of butter, Mom.
You do?
Remember I told you earlier?
Yeah.
I've got tons of butter.
You can also melt it a little bit and drizzle it on
I'll
there.
give you butter. Tons of butter.
Oh.
Hey, Dad, I think my thing is done.
You think it's done? Let's check. Let's check. So, ooh, look at how, oh, that is getting so pretty. Look at that.
You want me to melt
Wait,
it
wait, wait.
just a little
Are you
bit
ready?
to soften it?
Just put it right on there. No, no, no,
Huh?
not.
You want me to soften it? Or no?
No,
Right there. Because otherwise you got that on Grandma's egg. Great Grandma. Yeah, you don't want to put on top of those. That's okay. Now that one's extra special. Should we see what this says? It says, Sarah, Easter, 2013, and a big heart, and it had oil in it, so it's a very interesting look.
Was there a bird up there getting a drink? Sarah?
Look at all those. Look at all these cool designs. Which one's your favorite, Sarah?
All of them is my favorite.
All of them are your favorite? Oh, here's one that Great Grandma did
Yeah,
with oil in there, so it had a very different look. And here's our little smiley face guy. Right there. Aww. There's all kinds of different ones. All kinds of different ones.
I'll open
This is
up
kind of
inside it. Because
neat kind of salmon-y color. Looks like it's two-tone, three-tone. Fun colors.
Okay, now she's going to roll it up, Sarah. Where's she?
Sarah, look, great grandma's rolling it all up now.
Now she's going to roll it all up.
Make it nice.
Mhm. Great grandma will be 98 the month after next, May the 14th. Yeah, and there she is.
98
just
years
busy.
young.
Yes, that's exactly right. Look at her go. 98 years young.
Mm-hmm.
Now, give me a real sharp knife.
You want me to
How's
show
it
you
looking,
something,
Sarah?
Mom?
Is that
I
interesting?
take thread and I go down like this and go like this and they just all break off. You want to see?
What?
I take a thread and it's really easy.
Remove that, Grandma. There you go. You're going to relax, Sarah? Oh, good.
I don't know what Marlene said.
Here, I'll show you. I'll show you what I said. Just go like this. How thick do you want it?
Like that.
And just go like this. And there it is.
You better let me cut them.
Okay, I'll let you cut 'em. I'm just going to show you this is a real easy way.
I know.
Okay. Okay. You can do it.
I think I need a sharper knife.
Remember I told you I don't have a real sharp knife? This is the sharpest knife I have.
Okay, I'll use that.
I do have this knife. This is really sharp, but it has a serrated edge.
It's sharper than the other
Okay.
Okay. Sarah, are you relaxing? Should we check on this egg? We keep sticking back in here. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Sarah, Easter 2013. And a big heart. With oil. No less. Loading oil. Aww. What a sweetie. You're such a sweet girl, huh? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. And did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. How about Puppy and Bunny?
Mm-hmm.
Baby puppy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. You look like you're about ready for a nap. You thinking about having a nap?
This is me.
Yeah. What are you doing with my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Is that a kind of weird feeling? Huh?
Yeah.
Yep, all right. See you, sweetie.
Yeah.